If your 2015 to 2022 Colorado or Canyon is in need of an injection of style and attitude, or you just want to be more visible, these LED taillights are a great fit for your build. Featuring a full complement of LED lighting elements, these are bright and make your truck stand out a lot more than the standard taillights ever could. The stock taillights on the second gen Colorados and Canyons are fine, but especially if your truck came with these standard halogen lights, you could use an upgrade. These bring some classic, clean styling to the table, plus a lot more light output. Now the first thing you're going to notice, of course, is the look. These are blacked out and you get these dark smoked lenses over top of black inner housings. So especially if you want that fully blacked out or just a general stealthy vibe for your truck, these are going to complement it perfectly. However, the LEDs inside have enough firepower to far outshine your originals, even despite those dark lenses. Inside, you'll find LED C-shaped running lights around the outer edges. Now these have a cool layered appearance from the sides, giving them a bit more dimension than just standard LED light bars. They put out a nice diffused red light and are definitely eye-catching out on the road. Now in the center, you'll find two more sections of LEDs that function as your brake lights and your turn signals. And dead in the center, you'll find some super bright white LEDs that will function as your reverse lights. Now all of these combine to give you plenty of output so nobody will be able to miss your truck out on the road or trail. Construction is your industry standard polypropylene for the outer housings with polycarbonate lenses over top. These are of course weather sealed to keep out dirt and moisture and protect the electronics inside. And since they are fully LED powered, they should have a nice long lifespan. Plus they come pre-wired with all the resistors and everything you needed already set and ready to go, which should make for a quick installation process. We'll talk more about that in a moment. Pricing comes in at about $375, which for a set of full LED taillights is a pretty solid price. Now there are going to be less expensive options out there, but then you're likely going to have incandescent bulbs and you're not going to get all the features you do with these. So if you want the style and as much lighting output as possible, these are going to be a great choice that won't break the bank. Installation gets a 1 out of 3 on our difficulty meter, and the job should take you around 30 minutes to complete. Like we were talking about a few moments ago, this is a simple plug and play operation, and everything is pretty much ready to go right out of the box for you. Just a matter of a couple of bolts and a couple of clips, and then unplugging your stockers, and these go right in their place. With that, let's hand things over to one of our AT customers who's going to walk you through the process step by step.
This will be a relatively simple job requiring only one tool. A T15 Torx. I have my knife in case any prying may be required. To disconnect your tail lights, it is this plug and clip, and pull it apart, disconnect it. Step 2 will be to remove the 2 screws holding the tail light assembly in, and that is we're going to require a T15 Torx, T15. And we will remove the screws. Be sure to not lose these as the new lights do not come with replacements. Oops. Now that we've uninstalled the screws, this is a clip that we just pull out. Grab a hold and pull it out. Remove the old piece. The new install, we will drop the plug through first. Be sure you don't want to pinch any of your wires. You will line up your holes and shove it in. We're going to reinstall screws. Okay, we are now ready to connect.
That's going to wrap it up here for our review and install of these LED tail lights with black housings and smoked lenses fitting 2015 to 2022 Colorados and Canyons. Thanks so much for watching, and for everything Colorado and Canyon, keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.